Also ich würde den Service von Heidelberg beschreiben mit kompetent, schnell und professionell.
It's a great experience. Heidelberg is probably the best company out there that I deal with ordering parts. We have multiple companies that I deal with ordering parts from, and I can always get through to someone. Abby's our customer service rep. If I need something, she is Johnny on the spot. So she's outstanding. And all the guys that I talk to, if I don't have a part number, they will find it for me.
It's always nice to have a great team here, which I'm really happy to work with.
Najważniejsze dla naszych klientów w naszej pracy serwisu jest to, że otrzymują informację zwrotną bardzo szybko i na bieżąco są informowani o postępach prac naszych kolegów techników.
I remember being really happy when I was a customer for a long period of time during the installation of the machine, and I could get to know them better and feel like a partner to them.
Everybody's effort to identify and eliminate potential trouble before it has the chance to become serious. The overall team effort was very impressive.
Heidelberg und wir haben inzwischen eine 40-jährige Zusammenarbeit. Ich denke, das spricht wahrscheinlich schon für sich und das ist schon auffallend. Also das haben wir mit anderen Anbietern Tatsache nicht. Dieses also zuverlässige, lösungsorientierte und auch wirklich, wenn die gleichen Mitarbeiter kommen, die kennen die Maschine, die kennen die Problematiken, die wissen vielleicht, was davor schon angefallen ist und können dadurch natürlich auch einen ganz anderen Ansatz an der Maschine und an der Lösung finden.
No matter how complicated it is at customer site, you need to have the people on site that have the time to check, to see, and you will find something that's not as expected, fix it, and then it's back in production.
Heidelberg as a supplier is first class. Granted, they're in our backyard, but when we call them, we get answers quick. They provide solutions that work for us, not just selling us the latest and greatest. They're inside our business. They understand what we do, which gives them the ability to service the way that we need to be served.